Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious breakfast burritos with chorizo, potatoes, egg. They're so delicious. If you guys don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. I'm going to set my pan on medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 2 small potatoes that I've already cut into small cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1/4 of a white onion. We're gonna cook them for about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes and now we're gonna move the potatoes to the side and add 1/2 pound of chorizo. Once the chorizo is broken down, we're gonna mix the potatoes and the chorizo together and continue cooking them for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, the chorizo con papas are now ready. I'm gonna remove the excess oil. Now we're gonna move it to the side and start working on our egg. I'm using 4 eggs. Add some salt, and now we beat them. I set a separate pan on medium heat. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a white onion, 1/2 of a jalapeño, and 1 roma tomato. Cook it for about a minute, and then we add the eggs. It's been about 2 minutes and our eggs are now done. I'm gonna turn off the heat and set it to the side. I've set my skillet on medium-high heat and it's now time to warm up our flour tortillas. It's time to start making our burrito. We're gonna add some refried beans, some queso fresco. Next, we're gonna add some chorizo con papas. I'm so hungry, guys. Everything smells so delicious. You can add as much as you'd like. And then we're gonna add some of our egg. And we're gonna top it off with some avocado. Now we close up our burrito, just like that. And then we take it back to the skillet. Gonna set it there for a minute so it can grill on both sides, okay? And now it's time to enjoy this delicious burrito. And there you have it, delicious breakfast burrito with chorizo. All right, guys, moment of truth. By the way, I made this salsa and I have a video for it if you're interested. It's called salsa roja taquera. It goes perfect with this burrito. It goes perfect with tacos, tortas, whatever you like. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it down below. So, cheers. It's just perfect. If you haven't had this type of burrito, you guys really need to make it. It's so delicious. If you've made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.